Did you open the hood?
Let me lean it against the windscreen. No, the steering wheel. Sorry. Oh yeah, is this that's for fuel.
Oh, that's the fuel.
That's the fuel.
Two people will fit on there, alright.
Car, they're putting new headlights in it.
Blackout kit, Stephen, and it'll be fixed.
Put a blackout kit on it, everything will be solved.
John.
It is old fence palings to make the headboard.
Jamie did good, right? Sort of. All the vibrations from all the other stuff.
It's a counteraction.
It's a counteraction tail shaft, that one.
Yes, Rob. Yes, mate.
Counteracting tail shaft.
Yes,
That's something like when they set the bull bar
Yes,
16 months out from the front of the car. It's just as crumple zone.
That's the old crumple zone.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
It's still pretty good.
Look, there's not an ounce of play in the steering. It's absolutely perfect. No keys. Keys are optional.
Push button start, mate. Do your off.
I think that's what this is. Look, everything's very stable. There's no wobblies here. What could possibly go wrong? Look at that radiator. That is just perfect. It is not falling apart at all. Just let me refit the fins for the radiator back into place. It'll be fine. Has it got oil? Hang on. Oil was optional that year.
I'll see how she is.
Perfectly full. Perfectly full oil. What about coolant? Have we got coolant? Oh gosh. Look, there's nothing in there.
Oh, a little bit.
Yeah, yeah, we're good. Battery strap. It's roadworthy. I think the battery strap might be holding the whole guard.
I think the newest thing on it is the belt.
Maybe we need a little jumpy wire across the starter motor. Anybody got a screwdriver on them? Look, in the ad it said newish, but it might be flat. No clutch. I wonder why. Hang on a second. Can everybody just stop and appreciate? And it has a hydraulic clutch master cylinder. Oh yeah. We got a can of straight glass in this one. Bringing fuel up. Bringing something up. As good as this.
Well, you know, the last one was a disappointment, so this has got to be better. It's got a windscreen. It's got a roof.
Well,
It turns over.
it turns over. It sounds okay. It sounds like it should start.
Sounds pretty free.
We'll make you some goodies.
Oh.
I love
Come on, baby. Oil pressure gauge works. No, it's exactly like you sit on the fuel tank.
better than the first one that turned off.
Yeah, this looks so good compared to the first one.
See our clean.
Yes, yes.